Respected parents and my dear friends from Standard 6. This is Swapnil Sunil Dikshit, commonly known as Dikshit Sir. We conduct class or coaching for Homi Baba exam, and now this is 2021. So the schedule for our coaching for this exam, I have brought this presentation for you. Because of this COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to conduct physical classes, so we are going to proceed with class or presentations and schedules. So let me give you a brief idea with this presentation. Basically, first of all, we should know what is this MSTA. MSTA, actually this Homi Baba exam is conducted by Mumbai Science Teachers Association, which is commonly shortly called as MSTA. Their aim is to attain higher level of professionalism in enabling the students to achieve their goals. So this is what they have targeted all about. It's to build good career, embed in them professionalism in the students. That's their main goal. Let's proceed further about this exam. Now focus on, this is what I've brought all the details about the exam, the schedule and everything. This is for 2021. Fine. For Standard 6. The point is, first thing about the exam, it is conducted in 3 phases. Phase 1, which is a written test, which normally, if everything goes well, it's normally in the month of October, but because of this COVID-19, still we don't know when is going to be the written test, but surely it will be delayed by a couple of months. Phase 2 is the practical test, where your two students who clear or you qualify for this test have to actually perform some practicals, science practicals. Phase 3 is the final interview. And it's like those who qualify, you have to give the written test, out of which those who qualify will go for practical test. Again they are scrutinized, and those who qualify will go for final interview. But all this, remember, you have to register yourself for this exam from your school itself. We at Brain Gym are going to just coach you for the written test, but registration and all the formalities you have to talk with your school. The school people will do all the registration formalities for this Homi Baba exam. Remember this properly. Okay, then talking about the material. The course material basically is divided into 3 parts. The part 1 is your physics, part 2 is chemistry, and part 3 is biology. Now let us understand the contents of these 3 parts. The first part, physics. Here you have to study the properties of matter, measurement, like the various measurement systems, the conversion, kilometer, meter, centimeter, their conversions, then motion and its types, then simple machines. Here you have to study the levers, various machines. It's very interesting part. Then you have to study force, definition, its the sign, the unit, how it is applied, where force should be applied, rather how it can be useful, all those things. Then pressure, then work and energy. Next topic is light, then sound, then heat. These are all the various energy: light energy, sound, heat, electricity and magnetism. These are some of the topics which you have to learn, which carry more weightage. These are the topics from part 1, physics. The second part is chemistry. Here you have to study atmosphere, air, then gases, then water, its composition of substances, methods of separation, Okay, and remember friends, this methods of separation, this theory you have to study, and along with that you have to study the practicals also. You need to separate the various mixed up materials which is been asked in your phase 2, that is practical. Then metals, non-metals, acids and bases or alkali, then natural material and man-made material. Fine, one example for you is cotton, silk. These are natural and man-made materials. You have to study them in details. Okay, so this is part 2, that is chemistry. The next or the part 3 is biology. Here you have to study cell. Fine, then parts of plants, their life processes, classification of plants, animals, then classification of animals, then their characters, then a very important topic, that is human being and its various system like digestive system or digestion, vitamins and minerals, then respiration or respiratory system, circulation, excretory system, nervous system, sense organs, the various diseases, etc. So these are the various topics which you need to learn in this or it is included in the syllabus of Homi Bhabha in part 3, that is biology. Okay, the next is, now let me talk about what's our plan. Rather, at Brain Gym, our class name is Brain Gym. So we at Brain Gym have planned to begin e-coaching for this exam from 13th of July. Friends, today is 9th of July, correct? I am posting this presentation on 9th of July, and we have planned to begin with our class session or e-sessions from 13th of July. We shall be using various teaching tools like videos, some presentations, some live interactions, material sharing in PDF form, etc. Remember, because of this pandemic, there are some restrictions on us. We cannot conduct physical classes, so we have to do this through internet. And one more thing to point out, when you join our classroom, you should have enough mobile, rather enough technologically I'm talking about, you should have enough data, because you need to download the videos, download the PDFs. Fine. The next part is, we shall be conducting 3 sessions a week, but that will be all e-sessions or coaching. Live interactions will be there, and some part will be through videos, some will be through PDF or some presentations, etc. And see, regular, one more thing which is written over here, regular tests shall be conducted and homework shall be given. Now friends, remember, I know your school has begun, your school is also performing or also moving on with this e-technology, so you have still lot amount of homework to be done, but still you need to spare some time for this Homi Bhabha. Our course fees, fine, shall be 8,500 rupees, which you have to pay in 2 installment, but remember, it's written over here, when demanded, not now. That means what? We are not asking you to pay the fee today. You have to be prepared for that. You need to pay this in 2 installments, but when demanded. So at present you just have, what is your task? See, in the next slide it's written, those who are interested to join can just confirm us by sending a message, and we shall add you in our Google Classroom. Our phone number is 9422193395. This is my personal number, and it's available on WhatsApp. You can send me a mail at swapidikshit29@gmail.com. Fine. So this is what our plan is all about, to begin with Homi Bhabha coaching. So just go through the presentation or go through this video again. For any query, any doubt, or for more details, you can talk to us. Phone number is given to you, okay, or you can send me a mail. So that's enough for this presentation. I'll stop here, waiting for your reply. Thank you.